Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of enabling the Always Rely Calls feature on the X mobile app. This feature ensures you never miss important calls by managing your direct message call settings effectively. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then, tap on Direct Messages. Finally, scroll down until you see Always Rely Calls and turn it on by toggling the switch. That's all you need to do to enable the Always Rely Calls feature on X. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.